Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating reliable inputs for sleep. Start with a fixed wake time and stick to it. This anchors your circadian rhythm. Next, reduce evening light. Dim light 60 to 90 minutes before bed and use warm bulbs because light suppresses melatonin. Also cut caffeine after 2 p.m. and avoid late alcohol since they fragment sleep. Once done, make sure your bedroom is cool and dark. These prerequisites reduce physiological arousal, so the next steps can work. You now implement behavioral tools that change learned responses. Start stimulus control. Get out of bed after 20 minutes awake and return only when sleepy, because the bed must cue sleep, not frustration. Pair that with relaxation. Use 4-7-8 or box breathing for 5 to 10 minutes to calm the nervous system and lower heart rate. Also build a 20 to 30-minute pre-bed routine, read, stretch lightly, or take a warm shower, so your body learns to transition from wakefulness to you finish by consolidating gains and handling setbacks. Track sleep for 2 to 4 weeks. Use that data to adjust wake time, light exposure, and evening caffeine. If you wake and remain alert for more than 30 minutes, avoid screens and bright lights. Get up, do a calm activity, then return when sleepy. If problems persist beyond 3 months or you have daytime impairment, seek evaluation and consider cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, because structured therapy addresses the root behavioral and thinking patterns causing chronic insomnia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.